Are you tired of soggy leftovers or unhealthy fried foods? Here are the 5 best smart microwave ovens with air fry technology, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Black Plus Decker 5-in-1 Microwave. Let's kick things off with the Black Plus Decker 5-in-1 Microwave Oven. Priced at $180.99, this model caught my eye with its versatile cooking options. If you want a compact appliance that does it all from air frying to baking, this is worth a serious look. The 5-in-1 functionality allows you to microwave, air fry, bake, roast, or even do a grill convection combo. Plus, the air fry presets for things like French fries and chicken nuggets make it super easy to whip up healthier versions of your favorite snacks with little to no oil. It's also got 10 cooking levels and 7 auto menus, catering to various food types, so you're covered whether it's popcorn or frozen pizza. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it's too small for larger families. Here's the thing though, if you're in a smaller kitchen or don't need to cook giant meals, it's actually a perfect fit. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or just need a reliable microwave that doubles as an air fryer. Skip this one if you have a large family or often host gatherings where bigger portions are needed. Alright, if the Black Plus Decker's size was a concern for you, the next one might be just what you need. Product number 2, TOSHIBA Air Fryer Combo. Next up is the TOSHIBA Air Fryer Combo, priced at $223.99. This one really stands out with its 8-in-1 functionality. If you want a microwave that can tackle almost any cooking need while keeping health in mind, this one's a solid contender. With a 1 cubic feet capacity and 1,000 watts of power, you can cook up meals quickly and efficiently. The air fryer function allows you to enjoy crispy textures with less fat, which means you can indulge without the guilt. It's designed with a 2-step child lock, making it safe for families. The 12.4-inch turntable can fit a whole roasted chicken, making it suitable for larger portions, and it features easy one-touch buttons for snacks like popcorn and pizza. This microwave also has a defrost function and an odor removal mode, adding convenience to your cooking experience. Now, some users mentioned that the control panel can be a bit confusing at first, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, the benefits far outweigh this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional microwave that can also be a lifesaver for family meals. Skip this one if you're looking for something simpler without all the extra features. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a quieter experience. Product number 3, GE 4-in-1 Countertop Microwave. Coming in at number 3 is the GE 4-in-1 Countertop Microwave, priced at $229. This microwave is compact yet powerful, making it a great addition to any kitchen. If you need a quiet microwave that won't disrupt your home or office, this is worth checking out. With a capacity of 1 cubic feet and 1050 watts, you can expect quick and even cooking. It has built-in air fry, convection bake, and broil functions, which means you can prepare a variety of meals without needing multiple appliances. Plus, the quiet performance is a game changer for shared spaces, no more annoying beeping or loud operation. The one-touch presets are a breeze to use, and the included crisper pan helps achieve that perfect fry without the hassle. However, a few reviews mention that the air fry feature could use a bit more power. Here's the thing though, for most everyday meals, it performs just fine. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or need a microwave for your office that doesn't make noise while cooking. Skip this one if you want something that can handle larger cooking tasks all at once. Now, if you're looking for something more versatile, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 4, NewWave Bravo XL Pro. At number 4, we have the NewWave Bravo XL Pro Air Fryer Toaster Oven at $212.49. This one really ups the ante with its size and functionality. If you want an all-in-one unit that can replace your main oven, this is definitely worth considering. With a whopping 30-quart capacity, it can easily fit 2 13-inch pizzas or a 10-pound chicken, making it perfect for larger gatherings. The upgraded convection system cooks food 3x faster and delivers crispy results with up to 95% less oil. You get 142 presets, covering everything from air frying to baking, which means no more guesswork in the kitchen. The advanced thermal sensor technology automatically tracks the food's internal temperature, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. However, some users found it a bit bulky for small kitchens. But honestly, if you're looking for a multifunctional appliance to replace multiple devices, the size becomes less of a concern. This is perfect for you if you enjoy cooking for family or hosting friends. Skip this one if you prefer compact appliances for quick meals. Now, if you want something that can handle family-sized meals without taking much space, the final product might be just what you need. Product number 5, Ninja French Door Premier Oven. Finally, we have the Ninja French Door Premier Air Fry Oven priced at $279.95. This is for those who want an appliance that's as stylish as it is functional. If you're looking for a large capacity air fryer that looks great on your countertop, this might be your best bet. With a 20.3 quart capacity, it can handle family-sized meals with ease. The 10-in-1 functions include air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, and more, all of which can be done faster than traditional methods. The cyclonic air technology cooks food evenly without needing to rotate dishes, which is a huge time saver. Plus, it's designed to be healthier, frying foods with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. Some users mentioned that it takes a bit longer to preheat compared to traditional ovens. But here's the thing, once it's ready, you'll save so much time in cooking that it's worth the wait. This is perfect for you if you love to cook and want a stylish appliance that does it all. Skip this one if you're looking for something smaller or more budget-friendly. Now, let's wrap this up with a quick comparison. Alright, let's do a quick recap. The Black Plus Decker is great for compact spaces. The TOSHIBA offers versatility. The GE provides a quiet operation. The New Wave Bravo XL Pro is perfect for larger meals, and the Ninja French Door is stylish and multifunctional. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the New Wave Bravo XL Pro because it can truly replace a traditional oven while delivering fantastic results. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Ninja if you're not ready for a larger footprint in your kitchen. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.